Chinese New Year. It's a super fun time for happiness and fresh starts. This vibrant festival marks the beginning of the Lunar New Year and is celebrated with great enthusiasm and joy by millions of people around the world. Think of streets full of bright colors. Everywhere you look, there are stunning decorations that transform the city into a magical wonderland. The markets are bustling with activity, and the air is filled with the sounds of laughter and celebration. Shiny red lanterns are everywhere. These lanterns symbolize good fortune and joy, and they light up the streets with their warm, inviting glow. It's a sight that fills everyone with a sense of wonder and excitement. Fireworks light up the night sky. The dazzling displays of color and light are a highlight of the celebrations, bringing communities together to marvel at the spectacular shows. Families get together to celebrate. It's a time for reunions where loved ones come together to share meals, exchange gifts, and create lasting memories. The sense of togetherness and love is palpable. This is Chinese New Year, a really exciting festival full of hope and important traditions. From dragon dances to temple visits, every activity is steeped in cultural significance and history. During Chinese New Year, we welcome the new year based on the moon's calendar. This lunar calendar has been used for centuries and plays a crucial role in determining the dates of the festivities. It's a time to remember our family members who came before us and celebrate good luck. Ancestral worship is a key part of the celebrations, honoring those who have paved the way for us. People put on brand new clothes, usually in lucky red. Red is considered an auspicious color, symbolizing prosperity and happiness, and wearing it is believed to bring good luck for the coming year. Houses are decorated with pretty paper art. These intricate designs add a touch of elegance and tradition to the celebrations, showcasing the artistry and creativity of the people. You can just feel the excitement in the air. The energy is contagious and everyone is in high spirits, ready to welcome the new year with open hearts and joyful celebrations. Let's learn some lucky sayings in Mandarin Chinese. These phrases are not just words. They carry the essence of good fortune and happiness, especially during the festive season of Chinese New Year. First, we say Happy New Year. This is a universal greeting that brings joy and warmth to everyone. It sounds like this: Xīn Nián Kuài Lè, Xīn Nián Kuài Lè. It's a phrase filled with hope and new beginnings. Try it with me. Xīn Nián Kuài Lè. Saying it together makes the celebration even more special. Next, we wish each other good fortune and success. This is a heartfelt wish that everyone appreciates. Gōng Xǐ Fā Cái, Gōng Xǐ Fā Cái, means wishing you prosperity. It's a powerful phrase that brings good vibes. We often say this while giving or getting little red envelopes with money inside. These envelopes symbolize luck and wealth. Last but not least, a yummy tradition. Food plays a crucial role in the celebrations. Qi jiaozi lama, chu jiaozi lama, means, have you eaten dumplings yet? This question is a way to show care and share joy. Dumplings are super important during Chinese New Year. They symbolize wealth and prosperity. You have to have them. Sharing dumplings with loved ones makes the celebration complete and brings everyone closer. Dumplings are like tiny pockets of happiness. They represent wealth and good luck. Families get together to make dumplings. It's a time for laughing and sharing stories. Red envelopes are another big tradition. Older people give red envelopes with money to kids. It's a way to share good wishes and luck. Kids usually save this lucky money. Have you ever thought about why fireworks are so loud during Chinese New Year? It's not just for the spectacle or the fun of it. There's a deeper, more ancient reason behind this tradition that dates back centuries. There's a story about a mythical creature named Nian who was scared away by loud noises and the color red. According to legend, Nian would come out of hiding once a year to terrorize villages. The villagers discovered that the loud sounds of fireworks and the bright red decorations would frighten Nian away, ensuring their safety for another year. Even today, fireworks are a way to celebrate the new year and keep Nian away. The tradition has evolved, but the essence remains the same. Fireworks symbolize the driving away of evil spirits and the welcoming of good fortune. They represent hope and a brand new start. Each burst of light in the sky is a reminder of the new opportunities and possibilities that the new year brings. The sounds and bright lights of fireworks make the night magical. They create an atmosphere of joy and excitement, bringing people together in celebration. Chinese New Year is a time for celebrating, spending time with family, and eating delicious food. It's a time to honor traditions and create new memories with loved ones. Now that you know some important phrases and traditions, you can join the party. Xīn Nián Kuài Lè. May your new year be filled with happiness, prosperity, and lots of fireworks.